Hello everyone and welcome to Quadratic. So today's video will focus on everything you need to know on solving quadratic equations. Third question is the same thing as well. You just need to plug the three values inside the calculator. Alright, so for this question, A will be 12, B will be negative 19, and C would be 5. So you press equal, you will have these two answers, 5 over 4 and 1 over 3. And the answer is not a decimal but fractions, right? So we need to use the first method, which is factorization. Okay, so this is our equation, then we put the answers inside here. Okay, so for the denominator, I'll put it beside y, okay, 3 and 4, and the numerators, I'll put it here, the right side, 1 and 5, and then the answers, both the answers are positive, so let's put negative here. Okay, so our answer will be y equals to 1 over 3 or y equals to 5 over 4. Reason we put the answers in this way is because, right, let's say for this one, 3y negative 1 equals to 0. So naturally, it will become our answer. Okay, so negative 1 go to the other side, it will become positive, right? And the 3, why we need to put beside y is because later if I move it to the right side, it will become the denominator. Okay, and the last question here, same thing as well. Use the calculator first. And for this question, A is 14, B is negative 17, and C is negative 5. So our answers, again, similar to the previous question here, the numerator is a square root. So again, this is actually a decimal. Same goes to the other answer as well. And the answers are decimals, so we need to use either one of these methods. So for completing the square, the 3 steps, so the first step is for values that have x, which is these two, we need to factorize using the value from x squared, which is 14. Okay, so for these two values, we need to extract or factorize the 14 out lah. So here, this one 14x squared will become x squared, and this value we will have over 14 here lah. Right, so second step, we need to broaden up the bracket a bit because we do add the two values. Okay, so again, using the value from x, negative 17 over 14, then we need to divide by 2 square. So we need to add the counter effect, so we need to minus the exact same value. Okay, then later on we need to combine them lah, which is our third step. So combining, we need to combine these three values. Okay, the values which have square. Okay, so which is x, and this one, if I simplify, it will be negative 17 over 28. Okay, and this one will magically disappear. And this value we just simplify. Alright, so now find the value of x. So everything which is not x, we need to move it to the right side. So for this 784, if I square root, it will become 28. Okay, so I can just combine these two fractions together to form this one fraction. Okay, so now I need to find the decimal form of the answer, so I can go to here, yeah, this one, and then split those two values. One is the positive version, one is the negative version, and then this is my answers, 1.459 and negative 0.245. Again, these two values you can double check using your calculator. And for quadratic formula, again, find the values of A, B, and C. So A is 14, B is negative 17, and C is negative 5. Okay, so once you plug inside, you will get this result. Okay, and then the same thing as well, find the decimal form, and then this is your answers. Alright, so that's everything you need to know on solving quadratic equations. If you have any questions regarding this topic, feel free to write your questions in the comment section below. And the next video that I will do is solving quadratic inequality, so I'll put the link in the video description here. Right, so thank you so much for watching, take care, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.